Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Furfication token. Ticker symbol is FUR. Now this is a very popular brand new token on the Solana blockchain. It is trending #1 right now on DEX Screener in the Solana section. Now this is kind of a cool new trend here where they furify everything. It's kind of like the action figure trend that just happened where they turn all sorts of crypto people, famous influencers, movie stars, musicians, you name it. You could just pick anybody, basically. Think of 3 things that go in the box with them and turn them into an action figure. I actually posted one on this channel. If you look in my community posts, I made one for myself. But there's one like Michael Saylor, and he just comes with 3 Bitcoins, which is hilarious because, he just apes in on Bitcoin nonstop. But this token here, trending #1, brand new token. It's got like some cool, trendy tweets and things like that other people have been getting involved with, just kind of like the action figure one. Just came out, this token, 13 hours, 6 minutes ago. So it is hot off the press. And it is up 7,650%. We're going to go over the information on the Furfication token, talk about how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So actually, when you go check out the posts on my channel, there will be the action figure one, and I'm gonna try to furify myself or something. We'll see if I could put something up there. Maybe I'll just do like the shade. I'll do the shades or like my head or something with the shades on, furify it, and you'll see it in my community post section on this channel. But anyways, this brand new token here was created on pump.fun. You can find it on SolScan. You can find the chart on Bird Eye, Dex Tools, Dex Screener. They have 6 decimal places on this token, 9,394 holders so far. And if you go over to their SolScan, you're going to find all sorts of important links that you could check out, like the rug check. We're going to check that in a second, but all sorts of chart sites are on there. Gecko Terminal, GMGN, Photon, Dex Screener, Bubble Maps, Bird Eye, Rug Check, and Dex Tools you can find on the SolScan if you're looking for it. They don't have a legitimate web page. All they have basically is a Telegram. And then if you click on the Twitter on Dex Screener, it's going to take you over to a whole bunch of posts. It basically just searches, fur, or searches furification or whatever the thing is here. And it'll show you all sorts of cool furifications. So like Ton tweeted out, what if Ton blockchain was a fur logo? And then it has the furry Ton blockchain. So if you want to see all these, head over to the Dex Screener chart. I'm going to put the Dex Screener chart up here, actually, since they don't have one. And you'll see it says Twitter there. If you click on that, you'll see all of these cool fur logos. KCEX made the fur logo. Solana is in the thumbnail of this video. It's a furry Solana. They have Phantom Furry. What is this one? Moonbeam Network. So many of them. Binance, of course, is on there. BingX. Everybody's getting involved and tweeting out their furification here. Soulflare, Trust Wallet, Polygon. I mean, I could just keep going. It's almost impressive how so many people tweeted about this all around the same time and all furified their stuff here. So LBANK's got one, CoinGecko. Man, you could just go scroll through all these and they're just kind of funny. Polkadot. I mean, I'm going to stop naming them now because they're just endless. But SHIB. they're cool. Check them out. Anyways, Telegram at Furfication Sol, 1,456 members, has the contract address on the Telegram. So on this deck screener chart, you can find the contract address easy on the Telegram, or you could scroll down. You can easily find it on the SolScan link. But if you wanted to get this token, first of all, you would need a wallet that could store Solana tokens. So you could use a Solflare wallet, Phantom wallet, Trust wallet, or MetaMask wallet. You could download any one of those wallets from the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, or get a Chrome extension on your PC. You would then fund your wallet with Sol. Now, you could fund your wallet with Sol from a central exchange, and there is a list of central exchange links you could use down there in the description box. And I bet you if this token continues to do well, right now it's nighttime for me, but by the morning, I'm sure there's going to be tons of central exchange listings for this token. Don't quote me on that. You know, anything could go to zero at any time, but I would guess if it continues to do well, central exchange listings will be coming. It's only 13 hours, 11 minutes old. So yeah, anyways, where was I? So you'd fund your wallet with Sol, then you'd go into the dApps, and you would find there is a pool here for Pumpswap, $256,000 worth of liquidity in Pumpswap. It is locked too as well. 100% is locked and burned. So you'd find Pumpswap in the dApps, and using the contract address you could find on the Telegram or Deck screener, you would trade your Sol for this token. Right now, this token has a market cap of $3.8 million, and that is also their fully diluted valuation. $25.6 million 24-hour trade volume, 160,774 transactions just today. And token price right now is 0.0038 USD. So one thing we're going to check right now is the rug check, because there is some scammer devs out there on Solana that do sell their tokens off, and creates a big pump and dump. And you can tell if they've made previous projects that have gone to zero. So let's check here. So it says here, risk analysis is good. Token overview, it says here the Pumpswap, pool is locked, but there's some other pools that are not locked, so just be aware of that. Pump.fund does have the most amount of tokens, 3.46%. Top holder, 3.25%. Everybody else is less than 1.77%. Now, it doesn't say anything about, devs, previous devs, anything like that. So I don't see any warnings on the rug check, but that doesn't mean it's perfect or anything. It doesn't have a full audit or anything like that. There's just a tiny audit. You could find here, it says no mintable tokens, contract is not freezable. But that's basically about it. Trending number one, this token. Check out my Furfication. I'm going to try to post one anyways in the channel. It might fail and you might not find one, but it'll be around the same time I upload this video. So let me know in the comments, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos, and thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.